The country will run as per the wishes of its majority. These are the words of a High Court judge. Allahabad High Court Judge Justice Shekhar Kumar Yadav, while addressing the constitutional necessity of uniform civil code, an event organized by the Vishwa Hindu Parishad, a Hindu outfit, on Sunday said, "Since birth, we lead children towards godliness, non-violence, chant the Vedas. How will your child learn tolerance and kindness when you slaughter animals in front of them?"
हमारे यहाँ बच्चा पैदा होता है, बचपन काल से उसको ईश्वर की ओर बढ़ाया जाता है, वेद मंत्र पढ़े जाते हैं, अहिंसा के बारे में ले जाया जाता है, तमाम चीजें बताई जाती हैं। लेकिन आपके यहाँ तो बचपन से बच्चे को सामने रख करके वध किया जाता है पशुओं का। तो आप कैसे अपेक्षा करते हैं कि सहिष्णु होगा, वो उदार होगा?
The High Court judge further said, practices like untouchability, sati and johar were abolished within Hinduism and questioned why the Muslim community still allowed the practice of having multiple wives. Adding to this, the judge said every religion must shun all bad and evil practices on their own. If they don't do it, the country will bring a common law for all its citizens. I feel no hesitation in saying that this is India and it will run as per the wishes of its majority. Justice Shekhar Kumar Yadav was quoted saying by Live Law. He further explained his definition of Hindu. Listen in.
हाँ, इतना अपेक्षा जरूर रखता हूं। ये देश भारत है, यहाँ पर रहने वाला व्यक्ति भारतीय है। बाहर के लोग हिंदू नहीं समझ पाते, हिंदू केवल उसी को समझते हैं जो केवल और केवल पूजा पद्धति करने वाला, गंगा स्नान करने वाला, चंदन लगाने वाला व्यक्ति ही हिंदू। ऐसा नहीं है। हिंदू कौन है? हिंदू इस देश में रहने वाला, इस देश को अपनी मां कहने वाला, इस देश पर कोई विपत्ति आ जाए तो अपना सर निछावर करने वाला जो व्यक्ति है, उसकी पूजा पद्धति कुछ भी हो सकती है। वो कुरान को मान सकता है, वो बाइबल को मान सकता है, लेकिन वो हिंदू है। ये हमारी ग्रंथ भारतीय नागरिक संहिता।
Meanwhile, Trinamool Congress MP Mahua Moitra has taken to microblogging website X to react to the statement. Sitting High Court judge attends VHP function, says country will function as per Hindus and we are celebrating 75 years of our constitution. Supreme Court, Honorable CGI, suo motu cognizance anyone? Moitra said on X. HW News also spoke to President of the International Council of Jurists and former Supreme Court Bar Association Chairman Adish Agarwal. Listen in to what he has to say.
This is not appropriate for a sitting judge to say anything in public. Judges are supposed to give their view through their judgments, and especially in such sensitive matters.
Sir, do you expect the Supreme Court to take a suo motu cognizance in the matter?
Supreme Court has no power to take any suo motu action. Although in administrative side, Supreme Court can take any action. Supreme Court can advise the judge that in future he should be careful. That Supreme Court has the right on administrative side. If once he has expressed that type of view, it will be not appropriate for him to deal with such matter in future.
Earlier in September this year, 30 former judges, including 2 Supreme Court judges, attended the VHP Legal Cell's day-long meeting on judicial reforms. One of the judges who attended the meeting was Justice Hemant Gupta, who upheld the Karnataka High Court's verdict in the hijab ban case. Today, I must unfold my true self. To the distaste of some persons, I must admit here that I was and I am a member of the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh RSS. Justice Chittaranjan Das, retired Calcutta High Court judge, had said in his farewell speech. The question now arises, if the judiciary, being the pillar of democracy, starts attending functions of a religious outfit and expresses views that are pro one community, then can the other communities expect such judges to deliver justice in a non-partisan fashion? Think about it and comment your views.
Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.